Hey YouTube, it's me Julian, and today I have the Volkswagen drag truck from the Grateful Dead segment of the pop culture series for 2014. There's the back of the card, if you can see. So I had a hard time finding this one, but finally found one. So that's good. It says Grateful Dead, pretty big on the side right there. Same thing. Top, bottom, that's the front, and then the back. So, as usual with all the pop culture series, it's metal, and it has real riders. And the cool thing about this one is it does open up, and there's a big metal engine there, so it's nice and heavy. But there you go, it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.